are going to show you. And each will name their letter as they hold it up to view. We have an S at Crooked S. It stands for sugar sweets. We have an A for apple pie. An M for good minced meat. T stands for turkey, fat and brown. We have on Christmas Day. And here is S for Santa Claus. And for a sleigh. Ice for icicles and ice. And our reindeers. Yay! H for home and happiness. C for Christmas Day. Y it stands for youth and you. We couldn't do without it. It's in the new year too. We have an R that stands for right, and we with opposite high. And mine I'll place beside it. It for R also have I. We like E the best. We couldn't do without it, and every single letter begins with E. Does anybody doubt it? We hold in hand a great big M. It seats us to a T. M stands for money, and money too. And yes, it stands for me. Now if you read our letters out from the last one to the start, you'll find our Christmas greeting. Have fun, stay safe, be smart. Merry Christmas!
The Maths Award for Reception class this term has been awarded to Nicole. Do you want to take the award, Nicole? That's it, well done. Nicole, this is for being able to count objects so carefully and correctly, and you can write all your numbers carefully, can't you? Well done. The PSHE Award for Reception this term goes to Charlotte. Well done. You've been chosen for always being kind, caring and willing to let other children have their turn first. Well done. The English Award for Reception this term is going to Clark, who has worked fantastically hard in English this term, and you can also now write your name beautifully. Clark's teachers say he has tried so hard with everything this term, so well done Clark. That's your trophy there, hold it up. Good boy. The Maths Trophy for Year 1 has been awarded to Isla. Isla, you've been chosen for fantastic reasoning skills and applying a systematic approach to your maths. Well done. The English Trophy for Year 1 this term has been awarded to Logan. Want to take it, Logan? Good boy. Logan, you've been chosen for amazing progress in English and working so hard with your reading. Well done, Logan. The PSHE Award for Year 1 has been awarded to CJ. CJ, do you want to take your award? There we go. That's for you. CJ, you've been chosen for being aware of others and always looking out for your classmates. You make sure no one is left out and you always offer to help. Well done. The Maths Award for Year 2 this term has been awarded to Holly. I'm so pleased to present this to you, Holly. You've been chosen for trying so hard to complete all your maths tasks and working very hard on place value. Well done, Holly. The English Award for Year 2 has gone to Lena. Lena, let's take your trophy. We're so proud to give you this because Miss Clough says you have been amazing, creative ideas and working so hard during all your writing lessons. Well done. The PSHE Award for Year 2 has been awarded to Blair. Blair, this is for you for being such a thoughtful and reflective learner and contributing greatly in all PSHE lessons. Well done, Blair. We're very pleased to give the English Award in Year 3 to Sophia. Do you want to take your award, Sophia? So that's it. Sophia, you've been chosen for wonderful writing using similes, alliteration, dialogue and a variety of punctuation. Very well done, Sophia. The PSHE trophy is being awarded to Annabella. There you go, Annabella, you can take that.
Thank you.
This is for you for listening so carefully and participating in all the Jigsaw PSHE lessons so thoughtfully. You're always kind, caring and considerate to everyone in your class, so well done.
Thank you.
The English trophy for Year 4 this term is awarded to Livia. Livia, you've been chosen for putting 100% into all of your writing this term. You've tried exceptionally hard with handwriting and created some absolutely fantastic pieces of writing. Well done. The Maths Award this term in Year 4 has been awarded to Spencer. Spencer, you've been chosen for showing real motivation in maths. You always challenge yourself to answer the most difficult problems and you're always willing to be a helping hand if others are struggling. Well done. The PSHE Award for Year 4 goes to Mikey. Mikey, you've been chosen for listening to all the values that you've learned in PSHE this term and transferring them to the way you act around school. You always have a smiling face, you always follow the Bath Church way, and you are so friendly and kind to all your classmates. Well done. And trophy for the English award this term goes to Annabelle. Annabelle, this is for producing brilliant, conscientious work in English and responding brilliantly to all your targets. You have identified and used loads of features that have been taught within your independent writing, so well done. The mathematician of the term in Year 5 is William. William's been chosen for always wanting to challenge himself both in school and at home. William, you've taken so much interest in furthering your own learning and we're really proud of everything you've done in maths this term. Well done. The PSHE award for Year 5 goes to Poppy. Poppy, you've been an amazing role model to your peers. You're always prepared to help others and you're an excellent team member. You have shown amazing application of everything you've learned in topic work and you show fantastic awareness of the world around you. Well done, Poppy. The winner of the English trophy in Year 6 this term is Harry. Harry, help yourself to an award. You've been chosen for fantastic effort in all aspects of English this term. You've taken the new writing approach on so well and you are always sharing your ideas. You've been focused and determined to do your best all term and you have given valuable input in reading comprehension. So well done, Harry. The Maths Award for Year 6 this term goes to the fantastic Holly. Holly, you've been chosen for working through new learning with increased confidence. You listen, take on advice and now take part in whole class learning with much more confidence and you're an excellent role model and support for everyone in your group. So well done, Holly. The PSHE award for Year 6 goes to the fabulous Lewis. This has been awarded to you, Lewis, for being kind, helpful and caring, a team player who's always thoughtful in his comments and in your opinions. You enjoy debating and discussion and all aspects of this subject and you use your own experiences to bring it to life. So very well done, Lewis.
Thank you.
There we go. That's it.